Hey, let's check how we can create this funny meme. Let's begin by importing the two images we have. One is of a UwU girl and the other of UwU male version. Now add a clip of a guy as the main component of the meme. Adjust its position. Now click Splice. And choose Burn option. As the background images are quite bright, I'm decreasing the brightness to -15%. Synchronize the background images with the finger snap after adjusting them. Filters should be applied to both halves of the meme video starting at the moment where the guy snaps his finger. On first half I gave a filter called Warlock and on the second half I gave Photo Booth. Now give video effects to your background images. I used Rebound Swing. Give another video effect called Fade In, Stretch Till End. Give transition effect called White Smoke between the both images. Last video effect that I have is 90s. And that's it, you are done. If you find this tutorial useful for you, please like, follow and comment.